So in this problem, we are solving the growth rate problem. We are given a growth model of A equals 215.2 e to the 0.014 t. And this describes country B's population, A, in millions, and t years after 2010. So if you're doing the review from my class, it's similar to number 36. So what is country B's population in 2010? We're going to do part A first. Well, in part A, how many years after 2000 are we? 2010? Well, we're 0. So here your t will equal 0, and you need to rewrite your growth model. A equals 115.2 e to the 0.014 times 0. Plug in 0 for t. Well, 0 times your exponent is now going to be 0. So this means you have 1.512 e to the 0 power. Well, anything to the 0 power is 1, so this will be 115.2 times 1, which will just be 115.2, and this is in millions. Now, if you're working on putting this on the test, you would only need to show me this part and this part at the end, because it's understood that those are happening. But I want to make sure you understand why they're happening. Now, part B is what is country B's growth rate? Well, so far, part B, we're just looking for the growth rate. Well, that's at the top up here of our growth model. That is the 0.014. That's the rate at which it's changing. So on that, you're going to put 0.014. And if they're asking for a rate, usually you're talking about a percentage. So move your decimal over 2 places, and you have 1.4%. Now, part C says, how long will it take to reach 200 million? Well, that means we have a new A. So on our growth model, which you can see right here, we are plugging in 200 million for A. So we have 200 will equal 115.2 e to the 0.014. And we're still leaving it with t because how long will it take? We're looking for the time in this case. So we just got to solve for t. Well, when we look at this and we see this expression, and we see that it has a variable up in the exponent, we know that we are going to use logarithms to solve this. So we're going to go ahead and simplify as much as we can. So we've got to divide over here by our 115.2 million. So like it says 200 divided by 115.2 is equal to e to the 0.014 t. Now to change our e, we're going to use the natural log because that will undo our e, and that way we can also get our t down. So we're going to take the natural log of both sides, and this will be equal to the natural log of e to the 0.014 t. Well, since ln undoes e, we now have ln of 200 divided by 115.2 is equal to 0.014 t. Well, to solve by t, we're going to divide by the 0.014 on both sides. So that means we have the natural log of 200 divided by 115.2 divided by 0.014 is equal to t. When we plug that into our calculator, we will get approximately 39.4 years. Well, usually we like to just keep it at a whole number, so this will be 39. So it'll be 39 years. Now, this was asking how long. If they asked when it happens, you would take the 2010, add the 39, and get 2049. That would be if you're looking for when. This is how long, but that would be like what year would it happen.